diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm excited today to, well, excited and a little sad, I guess. Excited to be here to share with you that I finished something, and sad to say that this is the end of the DP for Veterans 2024 event. So before I get into the finish of my kit, a huge thank you to everyone who has participated in the event. You have until midnight tonight to fill out the exit form. You do have to have a finish, and you do have to have filled out both the entry and exit form, so make sure that you've done that. Also, you need a picture of your finish, so make sure you have that ready to go before you head over to fill out the exit form. I will be making a video montage of all the lovely finishes. I've seen some of them already posted in Instagram and Facebook, and they look amazing, so I can't wait to share them with you. And when I post that montage video, I will also be doing the random drawing for the winner of the prizes. So make sure that you fill out all of your information so that I have that, and then make sure that you've hit that subscribe button below so that you don't miss when that video comes out and you know whether or not you're the winner. So my kit for the event, because I only managed to finish one, was the American Christmas Gnome by Makiko from Dreamer Designs. And I chose this one because it was this cute little Christmas Santa Claus gnome, but patriotic with the red, white, and blue. So this one I absolutely loved. I think it turned out so well. So this one came with, I think, 6 ABs. No, maybe 8. It came with 9. 9 ABs. I didn't run out of any drills. I had more than enough to finish everything. Even though some of them I didn't have a ton of drills left, I had more than enough to finish. There was a lot of white and gray, so I do have a lot of this white left over. However, the gray, not so much. In fact, I have so much of the white left over it wouldn't even fit in one bottle, so I have this extra white left over as well. I also added in my own ABs, so this one I thought I would use, I ended up not using because I thought the green, it looks too blue, so I didn't end up using that one. I did use this one. This is in the little candles inside the lantern, the yellow. I didn't end up using any of the black either. It just has that kind of purpley blue sheen to it, and really the only black in this was on the bird, his little eyeball, and then his shoe. And I just thought adding the ABs, I wasn't sure when I started if I wanted to do it, and I ended up not doing it. Same with the 939. There were a couple of places that I thought, oh, well, it would be okay, but it ended up basically being stuff where I wanted stuff to blend into the shadows, so I ended up not using the 939 either. I did, however, use this gray 318 and this gray 414. Those were both colors in the background. It's like a wooden background. So I used both of those in that. And then I did use this, the dark red AB. I kind of second guessed myself after seeing it on the canvas, but after I got the whole thing completed, I think it looks okay, so I'm okay with it. So 6 additional ABs that I added myself in addition to the 9 that were already in there. And I do have several leftovers. That's all Christmas red. I have that many leftovers, so I will be saving all of the ABs to put in my AB stash. Oh, and I added 7. I completely forgot. I also added a bunch of the 5200. The white in the kit is 3865, but I just figured I wanted the little extra bling of the snow. Snow is sparkly, so it all worked out, and I think it looks good. Again, don't be afraid to try things because you never know how it's going to turn out. I always figure at the worst, if I don't like it, I can pick drills off, and I haven't done that yet. So that's the drills. That's the stuff that I added. Oh, let me show you the trash, which is almost nothing. You can see there's lots of like little plastic pieces, but as far as actual trash drills, there's not too many, especially for as large as this kit is. This is 60 by 80. So not hardly any trash at all, which made me super happy because that's what I want for my diamond painting experience. I don't want to be picking out trash drills. That's time that I could be spending putting drills on the canvas and diamond painting. So super happy with that. All right, so that's all of that. Let me go grab the canvas and we'll take a look at it. And here he is. This is, like I said, a very large kit, so I'm not going to be able to get everything in the frame of the camera, but I will take some B-roll so that you guys can kind of see everything, and I absolutely love how this turned out. I'm a huge fan of Dreamer Designs and their round kits. I have done I think 5 round kits from them. Never been disappointed. Even the old kits, the rounds are super nice. Very little trash, as you saw. They go on the canvas nicely. Glue sticks, plenty of ABs to pick from. I just think it turned out so super well. So you can see here along his hat is where I added those dark red ABs. And after I got them added on, I thought, well, maybe I should have just left them as regular drills. But then I decided, no, you know what? I'm okay with it. He's got ABs that came with the kit up here. There's some of the red and some pink. There's some pink in here as well. You can see pretty much anywhere there was white, whether it was in the stars, in the background, on the candy cane, I added in some white ABs and I just threw those in randomly. And I just think he's so cute. He's got this big candy cane. You've got the stars and the blue here on the ruff of his hat. And then you've got all the stripes here on his hat as well as on the candy cane. We've got the little holly berry leaves. His mittens are blue. We've got this adorable little cardinal here that is sitting on his arm. And you can just see his one little eye peeking out. I just think he's so cute. Again, I just love their drills. Such a good experience with this. I was stressed with this one because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get it done in time for the end of the event, so I'm super pleased with myself that I managed to do that. But just an enjoyable experience all around. You can see the bottom of the kit here. You've got his shoe, you've got the lantern with some of those yellow ABs for the candles. All of the poinsettias down here at the bottom, the lantern with the candles, his sack with all the little stars on it. And then we've got his shoe, and then we've got his presents that are in the bag, and then that fades up into his beard and his cute little face. I just absolutely, again, love this one. It was a lot of fun to do. I think it took me somewhere around 40 hours to complete the whole thing, so it didn't take super long. There was confetti. It was a nice mix. I think that's what I enjoyed. So there's some multi-placing here, obviously, in like the stripes of his hat and places like that. But then there's some confetti here on his nose. Certainly quite a bit of confetti in the background. Yes, there were some lines you can see where I had some multi-placing, and that 762 is a large majority of the background, so that was a lot of multi-placing. But because I was throwing in the white ABs randomly, that just made it a little more confetti than maybe it would have been if I'd just done it as charted. But I think he turned out adorable, and I'm so happy with him. And I'm so happy this is the one that I chose to do for the Veterans event. I can't wait to do the montage video so I can share with all of you all the awesome things that you guys finished. This is my favorite event of the year. I like the pets event, but the veterans, both things are near and dear to my heart, but the veterans one, I just feel like people get more out of it. Also, it's close to Christmas, and I just feel like people are maybe a little bit more compassionate during that season. Maybe that's just my perception, but anyway. So I will stick a link to the exit form down below. If you haven't finished your canvas, like I said, you have until midnight tonight to fill out the form. And Google tells me what the time is, so don't worry about figuring out time zones and all of that. I will do all of that. Ooh. So I said it would end at midnight on Central Standard Time. Pretty sure that's what I said. However, I'm now on Atlantic time. So yeah, I'll figure it all out. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. And again, a huge thank you to everybody who participated in the event. You guys are what make it awesome, so thank you. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.